When splicing for number 12 two wires together, the correct size junction box is a 4" by 4" by 1½ box. Determining the correct size junction box for electrical splices involves considering several factors outlined in the National Electrical Code or NEC. These factors ensure sufficient space for conductors, splices, and heat dissipation, promoting safety and preventing overheating. The NEC specifies calculation methods based on the number and size of conductors entering the box, the number of devices such as switches or receptacles installed within the box, and the presence of any equipment grounding conductors. The calculation involves determining the volume required by the conductors, devices, and equipment grounds, and then selecting a box with an equal or greater volume. For conductor fill, each conductor entering the box is counted based on its size. Number 12 conductors require 2.25 cubic inches of free space within the box according to NEC Table 314.16. B. One must account for all conductors entering the box, including hots, neutrals, and grounds. Conductors that originate and terminate within the box, such as pigtails for connecting devices, are counted. However, conductors that pass through the box without being spliced or terminated are counted only once. For device fill, each device such as a switch or receptacle counts as 2 conductors based on the largest conductor connected to it. For example, a switch connected with number 12 wire counts as 2 number 12 conductors. These device counts are added to the conductor count to determine the total fill requirements. Equipment grounding conductors also contribute to box fill calculations. All equipment grounding conductors entering the box are counted as a single conductor based on the largest equipment grounding conductor present. This single conductor equivalent accounts for the space occupied by all grounding conductors collectively. After calculating the volume required for conductors, devices, and equipment grounds, the appropriate box size is selected from NEC Table 314.16. A, which lists the volume of various standard boxes. The selected box must have a volume equal to or greater than the calculated volume. For the specific scenario of splicing for number 12 two wires together, assuming each wire contains a hot, neutral, and ground, we have a total of 12 conductors. This includes 4 hots, 4 neutrals, and 4 grounds. The volume required for the 12 conductors is 12 times 2.25 cubic inches, which equals 27 cubic inches. The equipment grounding conductors are counted as a single conductor based on the largest, which in this case is number 12 wire, requiring 2.25 cubic inches. The total volume needed is 27 cubic inches for the conductors plus 2.25 cubic inches for the equipment grounds, which equals 29.25 cubic inches. A 4" by 4" by 1½ box typically has a volume slightly above 30 cubic inches, depending on the specific manufacturer and box type, making it suitable for this application. Using a box that is too small can lead to overheating and unsafe conditions, while a larger box than necessary is permissible but may not be space efficient. Always refer to the latest edition of the NEC and consult with a qualified electrician for specific installation requirements and local codes.